How to clone ZF-TC1782/TC275/TC277 Gearbox by Yanhua ACDP2. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to spot for everything on automobile diagnostics. Before we dive in, I have a quick favor to ask. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for updates, and stick around till the end so you don't miss a thing. And if you enjoy the content, a super thanks would mean the world to us. Let's get started. Clone Gearbox ECU with Yanhua ACDP Module 36. Question: is it possible to clone Gearbox ECUs for BMW, JLR, Porsche, or Mercedes-Benz ZF-TC1782/TC275/TC277 using Yanhua ACDP2? Answer: yes. Yanhua Tech has released Yanhua Module 36 specifically for cloning Gearbox ECUs. Key features: no soldering required. Ensures safe, risk-free operations. Supported Gearbox ECUs: BMW, 3rd generation 8 HP, TC275/TC277. JLR, 3rd generation 8 HP, TC275, 9 HP 50, TC275, 9 HP 48, TC1782. Porsche, 8 DT/PDK2, TC400, TC275. Mercedes-Benz, VGS3-FDCT, TC275. Others: JLR, Honda, Jeep, Chrysler 9 HP 48, TC1782. Supported procedures and instructions. 1. BMW, 8 HP Gen 3, TC275/TC277. Steps: 1. Connect Yanhua Module 36 BMW 8 HP Gen 3 interface board to the Gearbox and Mini ACDP2. 2. Follow this path. BMW EGS 8 HP _Gen 3 clone. ZF-TC275/TC277. Identify full backup data, full write data. 2. JLR 8 HP Gen 3, TC275. Steps: 1. Connect the interface as shown in the JLR connection diagram. 2. Follow this path. JLR Gearbox clone 8 HP _Gen 3. ZF-TC275/9 HP 50. ZF-TC275/9 HP 48. ZF-TC1782. Identify full backup data, full write data. 3. Porsche 8 DT/PDK2 TC400 TC275. Steps: 1. Use the PDK2 TC400 connection interface. 2. Follow this path. Porsche Gearbox clone PDK2 TC400 ZF-TC275. Identifying full backup data, full write data. 4. Mercedes-Benz VGS3-FDCT TC275. Steps: 1. Set up the connection for the relevant Mercedes-Benz model. 2. Follow this path. Benz Gearbox clone/refresh A B/CLA/GLA/GLB class VGS3-FDCT TC275. Identify full backup data, full write data. Availability and pre-order. Release date: December 31st, 2024. Pre-order now. Contact Yanhua Tech or authorized distributors for more details. Thanks so much for watching till the end. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And before you go, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future videos. If you'd like to show extra support, go ahead and tap that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.